Today is the 10th of November. Here's my Christmas Pippin apple tree. It's looking quite healthy. I didn't have many apples off it because of some pest activity, and possibly one apple actually being taken by a two-legged pest. But never mind that. Unfortunately, the news on the other side of the patio isn't so good. Here's my Jonagold Apple, which sort of after about June this year has had no leaves, and it's become increasingly clear for this Jonagold Apple that the bark is damaged. It's definitely flaking off at various levels of the tree, and I'm now convinced that this apple tree is pretty much dead now. So I'm going to cut it off close to the ground and take it away. I've got some Lobelia around it, which is possibly not too advised because it might compete with the tree for water and constrain its roots. However, this may not be the reason for the damage, which may be some kind of fungal infection, but it's not really looking like it's going to recover, so I will be taking this tree out this autumn. It's a shame really, because it did quite well in its first year, and I had a few nice apples, but unfortunately it's going to have to come out now because it's clearly no longer alive. Actually, the Jonagolds came with 2 acorns within the compost of the tree when I got it from the nursery, and they'd already started to sprout roots, and so when I picked them out and potted them separately, and one of them's grown to a fair size of almost 2 feet now, and the other one's remained small but still looks quite a nice little tree. These 2 pots have apples in, which I grew from a pip. They came from a pink lady apple about 18 months ago, and the pips had already started to grow within the apple, so it's likely they've been in cold storage for some months before I bought them, and it seems to have led them to grow. There were a few other pips that I grew from those apples, and they're slightly smaller plants, but I think I've got about 6 that are viable at the moment. So, and here's the avocados. Avocados are still looking very, very healthy and growing well. And although we did have a frost a few days ago, they don't seem to have been injured by that, as it was only a fairly light frost, and they may even be sheltered from it here. Right, that's all for today. Bye bye.